How to make a WordPress website, step-by-step guide for beginners. Believe it or not, but knowing how to make a website from scratch is one of the more essential skills you should master as a small business owner in this day and age. Please bear with me. Here's why. If you know how to make your own website, you will save a ton of money on web developers and designers. This will also allow you to follow the market trend and put new things on your website without needing a programmer's help. You will effective stay ahead of your competition because while they have their projects show down by the need to consult developers, you will be able to build most things yourself within reason, of course. With that being said, the most important piece of the puzzle here is that you can learn how to make a WordPress website and then create something awesome for your business or project all on your own. Last but not least, the DIY approach, no coding skills required, that we're presenting here is an incredible budget friendly. In fact, you can build and run your website for as little as $35 annually. Number one, find a domain name for your website. Number two, sign up your web hosting. We recommend Bluehost. Number three, get WordPress installed via the Bluehost interface. Number four, pick a free WordPress theme from the Bluehost on onboarding. Number five, get some must-have WordPress plugins that will help with your site growth. And number six, start creating your pages and blogs post. When you are ready to sign up for a web hosting account, make sure you use one of the Bluehost link on this page. Going through them will result in two things. Number one, they are affiliate links, which means that we receive a small commission if you buy through them. Number two, it will unlock a $2.95 versus $3.95 discount price for you. You won't get this discount if you visit the Bluehost site in any other way. How to make a website in bird's eyes view. Okay, here's the plan for what we're going to do in the next step. The important thing to note is that it's all DIY-able. If that's a word, and that we are minimizing the cost wherever possible. In short, what you end up with at the end of the guide is a functional, beautiful website that won't put you into debt. Here's what we go through. Table of contents. Number one, why choose WordPress as your website platform? Number three, how to pick a name for your website by a domain and hosting. Number three, get familiar with the WordPress UI. Number four, pick a theme design for your website. Number five, get plugins to extend your website's abilities. Number six, create basic pages. Number seven, consider starting a blog. Number eight, adjust your site navigations. Number five, profit. Okay, and that last step is mostly up to you. and we won't be focus much on the profit element in this guide, but we have other resources for that. Check them out. How to make money blogging, 17 of the best ideas. How to integrate AdSense with WordPress in 3 simple steps. Steps number 1: choose WordPress as your website platform. Truth be told, there are many websites platform that you can use when building a new site. Content management system, CMS, is what they usually call. The idea of a CMS is to give you some easy to use tools so that you are able to edit your site content without any knowledge to coding. For the most part, from the user point of view, those CMS look much like the familiar interface that Facebook or Google Docs. You basically create a new page or documents and then have them publish to the website. But enough with the technical. As I said, there are many CMS out there, more than 100 in fact, as listed by Wikipedia. Uh, Luckily, through picking the best one is simple. There's only one king on top of the mountain, and it's WordPress. WordPress used to use one more than 34% of all websites data says. Again, that's all websites. Or to say it differently, truly, everyone in three websites that you visit it built on WordPress. Here are the key details about WordPress. Number 1, it's open source. Number 2, it's free. Number 3, it's the ultimate DIY solution for the website building. Number 4, it's extra versatile, can run any type of website. Number four, it's fast, optimized, and secure. Number 5, it's SEO ready, make promotion easier. Now, one important distractions, the WordPress that we're talking about here is WordPress, the software. You can find it if you go to wordpress.org.com. Step number two, pick a name for your website by a domain and hosting. When learning how to make a website, picking a name is probably the most fun aspect of the whole process. After all, you have complete freedom here. You can pick literally any name you wish for your website. However, there's still some things you need to understand to set yourself up your success later down the road.